Everybody, this is Fred with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our 84 Chevy Blazer. It's got all new gorgeous midnight blue paint. It's power steering, power disc brakes, ice cold air. Brand new Method wheels and brand new Neo Max Mickey Thompson tires. This is an expensive setup. Original V8 motor, 305 5.0, power disc brakes, power steering. Original build sheets right here. In place showing midnight blue. Brand new air compressor, ice cold AC, very hot heat. The truck shifts like butter and runs and drives excellent. Original front and rear bumper, original grille, headlight bars, all new paint. See down the side of it. It's got new Method 20-inch wheels, 17-inch wheels. The wheels and tires are 33 by 12.5 by 17, and it's got Neo Terra Neo Max MTs off-roads. Solid, no rust ever. The paint is just drop dead gorgeous. The original door panels have been restored. Original steering wheel, original dash pad, does not have a crack. All new seat covers, new carpet. Just a brand new truck inside and out. AM FM cassette works, and the AC blows ice cold. White headliner, blue cloth seat covers. Very nice little truck. New carpet in the back. It has a spare tire mount inside. I'm sure it was rattling like most of them do and someone took it out. Back window works perfectly. Rolls up and down excellent. It's got tinted glass. Little tow hitch here and no exhaust out the back. Absolutely gorgeous truck. See my reflection all the way down. No rust ever. It's a V8 5.0 305 4-speed with the original AM FM cassette. Manual windows. Y'all come see us at RedlineMuscleCars.com, your muscle car and square body connection.